up, bro?
Hello?
Yo. Motherfucker.
Asshole!
Hey, fuck you, bitch.
You are dead meat! I want to apologize.
Look at all those chickens.
Give you proof. Here's proof of what'll happen to you if you stay here with your stuff.
Yo, don't do it! Don't do it! Yo! Yo, holy shit, he dead!
Road work ahead? Yeah, I sure hope it does.
But all is not as it seems. The big buck actually has hold of the dog, not the other way around. As Greg runs in, we realise this could get dangerous.
Let it go, dogs, let's go!
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Two bros chilling in the hot tub, 5 feet apart cause they're not gay.
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Get off.
Get off what?
The Xbox.
Why?
Turn it off.
Why?
Turn it off.
What?
Turn it off. Come on.
I can't just
No.
nail on it.
Yeah, you can. Turn it off. I was joking.
The more clues we get, the more we can reduce the zone. We can then cross-check it with our list of suspects and identify the killer.
So what's next?
There are 2 suspects whose psychological profile might fit and can be connected to the comfort zone.
Can I get a waffle? Can I please get a waffle?
Come here. Henry, come here. What have you done? What have you done? Huh? What have you done?
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant!
Okay, so we at the mall, right? My son said something tickled me pink. I get out the car. Now, mind you, this is my son's car. Everybody see that? This motherfucker got the top down and the windows down. You know what the fuck he tells me? He said, lock the door.
Nobody cares.
Look at him walking away. Look at him. Hey, that's some bullshit.
They're going to drown it with acid. We're going to try the big stick theory. He's going to go flying across try to kill the engine with water and hit the big stick. Jesus Christ. Okay, now we're going to smother it with a tarp. We've now angered the machine. The machine is now angry.
You dumbasses.
This is hilarious. Okay, we're gonna smother it with tarp.
This is actually gonna work, I think.
Oh, there we go. No. Oh, right him in the hole.
Oh, right him, cowboy.
We've now got him in the hole. Spin. Whoa, ole. 8 seconds. 8 seconds is what we're looking for. He is now blinded and mad.
I can't get you. Oh, this. Oh,
Can I get a dick taco?
What the fuck is wrong with you? Okay.
Welcome to physics. Holy